Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable SugarCRM notifications for sales pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. To disable SugarCRM notifications for sales pipelines, first, log into your SugarCRM account. Navigate to the admin settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the admin panel, locate the email section. Click on email settings to access the email configuration options. Scroll down to find the notifications section. Here, you will see various notification settings related to sales pipelines. To turn off specific notifications, uncheck the boxes for the notifications you no longer wish to receive. If you want to disable all sales pipeline notifications, ensure all relevant boxes are unchecked. After making your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Next, navigate to the Workflow module in the main menu. Inside the Workflow module, locate the pipelines that are currently sending notifications. Select each pipeline and review the notification settings associated with it. For each pipeline, you may need to adjust settings or disable triggers that send notifications. Once you have completed your adjustments, return to the main menu. Lastly, log out and log back in to ensure your changes take effect. You have successfully disabled SugarCRM notifications for sales pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.